How to get Makkah entry permit during Hajj season. Saudi Arabia has banned entry to Makkah for all without an entry permit, Hajj visa or Umrah visa. Here is how to get an entry permit during the Hajj season. It means that from now on till the end of the Hajj, only the following people can enter Makkah: Umrah permit holders, pilgrims with Hajj permit, people with the entry permit. Who can get the entry permit? Only those who work or live in Makkah are entitled to get Makkah entry permit. Their employers are required to provide them with an entry permit. Do not enter Makkah without this permit, even if your employer insists you do so, as there is a heavy fine if you are caught doing so. Entry permit through Muqim. For the entry permit registration, the government relation officer of your company will have to open Muqim, log into your company account, click on permit request, select add a permit, add data to the permit request, choose the person to be authorized, attach some necessary document to support the case, submit the application form. After submitting the application, the processing will take place and the applicant will be notified through the portal about the issuance of the entry permit. Entry permit for family members. If you are a premium Ikama holder or investor, you can apply for a Makkah entry permit of your family members through Absher. In order to do so, open Absher, log into your account, click on the family members tab, select Makkah entry permit, click on request entry permit. That's it. Your entry permit will be issued immediately. Entry permit for domestic workers. The sponsors can apply for the Makkah entry permit for their domestic workers such as house drivers, housemaids, haris through, through Absher. Open Absher, log into your account, click on the workers tab, select Makkah entry permit, click on request entry permit. That's it. Your entry permit will be issued immediately.